Tom couldn't stay there and hear his mom talking because he was too shy and cutely angry at Jungkook. So he also followed Jungkook to his room, cursing at him. Jungkook smirked as he entered the bathroom, tugging at the hem of his shirt to peel it off his body. Tom stormed right after him, still scolding him. Tom, you seriously have no control over your mouth, do you? You're going to get us both. He froze because Jungkook's shirt hit the floor, revealing his toned back and shoulder, muscles flexing casually as if he hadn't stolen the breath from Thong's lungs. Thong was died mid-sentence. The steam from the shower hadn't even started it. But the room suddenly felt warm, too warm. Jungkook, not turning with a teasing tone. You following me into the bathroom. Now, baby, you really can't stay away from me, Thong, snapping out of it. I wasn't following you. I was yelling. There's a difference. Jungkook glancing over his shoulder. Mm-mm. Look it like admiration to me. Thong flushed, deep crimson. He turned it quickly toward the door, but before he could reach the handle, Jungkook moved faster. The door clicked shut behind him, and suddenly Thong found himself trapped. His back nearly pressed Jungkook's chest, only inches away. Their chests weren't touching, but their breath were. Jungkook didn't speak. He didn't have to. Thong, barely above a whisper. Move. Jungkook quickly. Why? You always run away when things get real. Thong, this isn't fair. You don't get to play with me like this, Jungkook. Jungkook leaning closer to his ear. Why not, baby? His voice husky and deep. After all, I love teasing him. I love teasing your breath getting heavy, your cheeks flushed, your eyes closed, your lips apart, chest heavy. Thong, Jungkook. It almost sounded like a moan. Jungkook closed his eyes, the sound repeating in his ear, too heavenly. Baby, now it's a crime, teasing me with your deep voice. He made Thong's earlobe. Thong, please, don't. But he pressed his back on Jungkook's chest. Jungkook, you wreck me. Jungkook kissed his back. You know that, Even when you are mad, he kissed Thong's shoulder. When you hate me, I would still rather fight with you than talk sweet to anyone else. Finally, he sucked Thong's neck. Not much harder. Thong stood froze. His back still pressed against bathroom door. He didn't move. His finger nervously clenching the edge of the oversized hoodie. Eyes lowered, cheeks burning, too close, too warm, too Jungkook. Jungkook didn't speak at first. He just stepped closer and turned Thong gently by the shoulder. Jungkook softly. They look at me. Thong didn't. His lashes trembled as he kept his eyes closed tightly, scared that if he made Jungkook gaze now, his heart would explode. So Jungkook did something he never thought he would do. So delicately, he lifted Thong's chin with his two fingers, leaned in, not for a kiss, not it. Instead, he kissed Thong's closed eyelids. A feather-like touch, then another kiss. This time on the flushed cheek, then the other, then one off his forehead. Thong was still breathless, still unmoving, but Jungkook couldn't feel him trembling. The way his fingers slightly gripped Jungkook's wrist, like he didn't want him to stop. Jungkook murmuring, "You make me want to be soft." And then their noses touched, a brush of hesitation, meaningful, and finally his lips. Jungkook pressed his lips on Thong's gently, at first, not demanding, not rushed, just there. Thong's breath issued at the contact, his fist clenched. Jungkook shut weakly, and for a moment he stood frozen, feeling every second of that touch. Then he moved, he kissed him back. It started slow, tender, warm, but turned sloppy, eager, desperate, like years of silence finally melting. Jungkook pulled him closer, arms wrapping tight around Thong's waist. As Thong's hands slid up to his shoulder, clutching the bare skin, their breath grew heavy between kisses, their bodies impossibly close. Jungkook panting against Thong's lips. Why do you tease like every answer? I didn't know I know. Thong, blushing, whispering. Because you waited too long to ask. Another kiss and then another, longer, slower. The world outside the bathroom could fall apart. None of it mattered because in that little space behind the closet door and shallow breaths, two hearts finally spoke the same language. Jungkook didn't say a word as he wrapped his arm around Tong's thighs and lifted him off the ground. Tong let out a shocked gasp, hands grabbing Jungkook's shoulder. Tong, yeah, put me down. But he didn't. He carried him straight under the shower and reached behind to turn the doorknob on. Instantly, cold water splashed over both of them. Tong let out a gasp, clenching tighter to Jungkook as a sudden rush of water soaked them both. Their clothes clung to their skin, water dripping down Jungkook's jaw. Tong lashed glistened, his hair plastered to his forehead. Too close, too breathless, neither said anything. Their noses brushed again, and just as their lips were about to meet, bang! The door to Jungkook's room opened. Mom, from outside. Are you two fighting again? I swear the minute come home, I hear noises. Jungkook and Tong eyes went panic. Tong hissing, oh my god, your mom? She can't see us like this. Jungkook muttering, she will murder me. They quickly pulled it apart, trying to act casual while soaked wet, heart racing, lips almost kissed. And then the bathroom door cracked open. Their mom peeked in just in time to see both of them grabbing each other's hair, crawling painfully, pretending to fight. Jungkook threw clenched teeth. Let go of me, nerd. Tong, while pulling back. You let go, idiot. Their mom blinked, then let out a soft chuckle. Mom smiling. Oh, my normal boys are back. She shook her head fondly and closed the door. Jungkook and Tong collapsed back against the wall, soaked wet, both laughing breathlessly. Tong, that was close. Jungkook smirking. Tell me about it. I thought I was going to jail for loving my stepbrother. Tong giggles, cheeks pink, still holding onto Jungkook's arm. The laughter filled into soft smiles. Tong, no one is going to jail. We will figure this out. How to tell them? Jungkook. What if they feel Tong arches his brows. Disgusted? Jungkook just nodded. Do you think it's disgusted? Jungkook. No, I don't think like that. In fact, this is the most beautiful thing that has happened in my life, and I would love to continue this my whole life. Tong smiles across his arms. So you mean you want to marry me? Jungkook's eyes widened. What? Marry? I suddenly looked down, blushing miss. Tong placed his hand under Jungkook's chin, making him look up. Oh, my. This is my first time seeing my stepbrother shy. Jungkook's ears turned pink instantly. I mean, you already confessed. Step 2 is marrying, right? Jungkook trying to act cool. Yeah, stop saying this stuff like that. Tong pouting dramatically. What? You don't want to marry me? I was already imagining our wedding. Should I wear a white tux? Or maybe a hanbok? You will cry, right? You will sob when I walk down the aisle? Jungkook laughing. Oh my god, stop. Tong. And then the honeymoon? Tong. Jungkook. Tong. Before Jungkook could scream more, Tong tickles and run away, barefoot, still a little damp from shower, and Jungkook, groaning but smiling like a fool, chased after him through the hall. Jungkook, come here, you brat. They slipped past the kitchen, Kikal laughing, bumping into chairs and nearly toppling over the flower vase. Mom ailing. Yeah, you too. You are making the floor wait. You are going to kill yourself running like that. Dad sternly. Did you just drip water all way from the bathroom? Tong while running. Sorry, Oma, I'm escaping marriage. Jungkook grinning while chasing. No, you are not. You started it. Mom. Are you even listening to me? Dad. Unbelievable. Meanwhile, Jungkook took Tong knee gently onto the couch, both of them laughing breathlessly, soaked footprints everywhere. They ignored their parents, they always did, because in that moment nothing mattered more than this. The teasing, the laughter, the way their heads had finally found home in each other. Tong was breathless. Beneath Jungkook, eyes shut from the laughing too much. His arms tried to block Jungkook's merciless fingers that tickles his side. Tong laughing. Jungkook, stop! I am going to die laughing. Jungkook laughing like a kid. That's the plan. But then something shifted. Tong blinked at him, cheeks flushed. While still there, Jungkook suddenly stopped. His hands froze where they were, resting on either side of Dong's waist. Their giggles died. The world around them seemed to slow down. Jungkook's eyes looked around the living room and then at the kitchen. His dad was seated with the newspaper, half focused on the lunch, and his mom was stirring something on the stove, humming quietly to herself. No one was looking their way. His heart thumped once, twice fast, and then he leaned down, his lips pressed gently on Dong's. Dong breath grew cog in his throat, arms going still. The kiss was slow, deliberate. Shankuk didn't rush it. He just melted into it like he had waited forever for this single moment. His hand cupid the side of Dong's face, thumb brushing his cheek. Their lips moved together, warm, soft, breath, butterflies erupting in their stomach like a garden of firework. His fingers crushed the fabric of Shankuk's damn hair, holding onto him like the kiss might disappear. But then, Mom, from the kitchen, Jungkook, lunch is ready. Jungkook circled back just in time, blinking rapidly, cheeks tinted pink. He glanced toward the kitchen. Jungkook clenching throat. I will change first. I'm still wet from the shower. He stood up quickly, running his hand through his hair to hide his blush. Dong by there on the couch, blinking up at the ceiling, lips parted, slightly, chest rising and falling faster than usual. He touched his lips gently. That was a joke. That kiss was real. Mom calling again. Dong, baby, come eat too. Dong sitting up fast. Yeah, I will change too. First, Mom, I'm still wet. He gets up from the couch, rushing to his room, heart beating like a drum, because even though Jungkook had walked away, the kiss was still so much there on his lips and deep, deep in his chest. The classroom was usually quiet. The early morning, Jungkook and Dong sat on the back, shoulder to shoulder, their seat bit over to phone screen. Dong giggled softly, hiding his smile behind his lips, while Jungkook laughed, his body leaning a little too close. Jungkook grinning. See, I told you, this video would make you look like a confused alpaca. Laughing. Oh my god, delete it, Jungkook. Seriously? They were so close in their bubble of jokes and stolen smiles that they didn't notice all Pico standing at the doorway. Surgeon, his eyes narrowed at the side in front of him. Two boys who were clearly not just a brother anymore. He clenched his jaw slightly, walking toward them. Surgeon, frowning. Dong? Both his stepped up, Dong blinked, guilt flashing in his eyes. As he tried to straighten up, Jungkook's playful smirk quickly vanished. Surgeon, arm crossed. Why aren't you have picking up my cause? Dong opened his mouth, searching for a reason, but none came. Dong softly. I was just busy with classes and before he could continue, a hand slid over his under the table. Warm, firm, and gardening. Jungkook laced his fingers through Dong's and looked straight at Surgeon, no longer interested in hiding. Jungkook, clearly, he didn't tell you because we are dating. And it just happened, and we are not hiding it anymore. Dong looked down, face slowly reddening, as Jungkook gave him a gentle kiss. It wasn't sin he imagined being outed like this, but somehow, with Jungkook by his side, it didn't feel terrifying. It felt right. Seojun didn't look surprised. In fact, he let out a soft breath through his nose and gave a nod. Seojun, quietly, I figured it. Dong glanced up. I just wanted to hear it from you. It was a buzz, not awkward, not bitter, just a mutual acknowledgement of something that was never meant to be. Surgeon smiling faintly. He is lucky. He is lucky. You know you have someone like you. I hope he treats you better. He treats himself. Dong gave a small nod. Jungkook softly to Surgeon. I will treat him better than I treat myself. Surgeon looked between the two, then stepped back. He nodded one last time before turning away, leaving behind a space that felt strangely lighter. Dong, thankfully, finally turned to Jungkook, his eyes shining with emotion. Dong, you really said that? Jungkook, shrugging with smirk. You really kissed me in the shower. I figured it. It's only fair I make things official. Tongue, chocolate, cheeks flushed, and still intertwined with Jungkook's beneath the desk. Whatever come next, they were in this together. Dong and Jungkook sat by the side of the soft glow of the evening, their hands gently holding delicate sky lantern. Together, they lit the candle inside it, and a small flame flickering still, and the paper lantern slowly began to fill with warm air. Their parents were nearly chatting quickly, enjoying the peaceful holiday night. And Tong and Jungkook finally realized the lantern in floating upward, carrying their wishes into the sky like tiny stars. Tong's heart beat first as he watched the lantern fly higher and Jungkook's finger tightened slightly around his. Just then, their parents turned toward them, noticing the intimate closeness. Mom, are you two dating? Thong's mom asked, raising an eyebrow with smirk. Both Thong and Jungkook eyes widened, caught off guard by the sudden question. Their dad chuckled. Come on, we are just teasing, right? Laughing, their parents started to walk away, but Jungkook saw stopped them. Jungkook, yes, we are dating. There was a pause, and then their parents burst out laughing. Mom, well, wow, he have been suspecting, and there they have already started dating. Their mom teases, shaking her head with a warm smile. Dong and Jungkook exchanged shy smiles, feeling the weight lifted, knowing their secret was finally out in the open. Their fingers still intertwined, feeling more connected than ever. Their dad clapped his hands on Dong's shoulder. You two better enjoy the trip. We are happy. You're honest with us now. Dong smiled shyly. Thank you, Dad. Their parents exchanged knowing looks. Just don't keep secrets next time, alright? We are here to support you. As the lantern floated higher into the starry sky, Tong leaned his head against Jungkook's shoulder. Jungkook smiling softly and wrapped his arm around him. Their parents smiled warmly, nugging the two boys closer. Come on, stand together. We want to take some pictures. Jungkook and Tong exchanged shy glances, their face flushed as their parents teased them. No more fighting over silly things, okay? Mom said with playful smile. Dad chuckled. Yeah, you two have to behave now that everyone knows. Trying to keep cool, Jungkook and Tong poses for the first picture, just the two of them. But then they moved to take a group photo. Jungkook's leg accidentally kicked Tong's. Tong slapped Jungkook's arm lightly in annoyance. Jungkook returned it with a playful slap back. Tong laughed and slapped again. Before they knew it, they were both grabbing each other's hair, demanding, say sorry. And no, you say first. Their dad sighed, here we go again. Their parents burst out laughing, the playful shouts making the holiday even more memorable.